Being a musician, traveling is a big part of my life and inspiration, which, like so many of you, I desperately want back. So you can only guess how great it was to see this awesome new invention from LG. Cloi bots with UV lamps for protection against infectants. These amazing robots go around high-touch, high-traffic areas like hotels and use UV light to help reduce exposure to harmful germs. Pathway detection with advanced sensors, as well as easy mapping function, enable autonomous navigation, so they can work all those different rooms on their own and get up real close to furniture and equipment for fast and effective performance. Control is safe and intuitive, with built-in safety lock for automatic shutdown when movement is detected, and remote updates for monitoring progress. Having said that though, looks like it's gonna be a while till we can have gigs and parties back on. So until then, I'm gonna chill in my studio and work on my videos and stuff.